In this video, you'll learn basic Excel tips and tricks. Let's say we're comparing site metrics for one of our clients and we want to compare data between October 2015 and October 2016. To begin, you want to go to Excel, File, Create a new workbook. And once that is open, we're going to begin by creating the column with the date. So to begin, all you have to do is go to a new column where you'll have a little bit of space to work and type in 1, 2, 3 just to begin. So we want this to come up as the date. So what we can do is select the first cell, hold down Shift, use the down arrow key to select all three of those numbers, and use your cursor, move it to the right until a black plus sign symbol opens up right by the line between that column and the column next to it. Click and drag all the way down until you reach the amount of cells that you want represented. There's 31 days in October, so we're going to go down to 31, release our mouse, and the cells are all filled from 1 to 31. We want this to be a date, actually. And so what we're going to do is we're going to right-click, Format Cells. A window will pop open, go down to Date right here, and then we want the number dash month. Click that, click OK, and Excel automatically formats it so that it goes to January. We don't want January, we want October. So what I do is I just type in the month with forward slashes like that. Select that corrected cell. Same step as before. You use your cursor, find the black plus sign symbol, hold down your mouse and click and drag to correct all cells so that they read the month that you want it to say. We're going to label our columns with the months that we are comparing the data to 2015 October and 2016 October. And we don't have data for this example, so just for our purposes, I'm creating makeshift data. You can do the same thing as before. Select the three boxes, use your cursor, scroll over till you find the black plus sign, click and drag all the way down to fill those cells with the data. And with this, if you type in descending numbers, you will get the opposite effect. So this column will read 31 down to 1. So to actually go ahead and create our line graph, you want to click just once and select the cell that's to the left of your data. Hold down Shift, click and drag to select all cells that you want represented in the graph. For my version of Excel, I already have the charts out open on my window here, but if you do not see it, all you have to do is go up to Insert and go to Chart, and these options should appear. For my purpose, all you have to do is go to Charts, and line, go to 2D line graph, and this should pop open with your data visualized like this. And we often delete the lines in the background of the graph just to make it look a little bit less busy. And on some versions of Excel, you'll see a chart title right around here, and we actually don't have that for my version, so I don't have to worry about it, but you're going to want to go ahead and delete that if that's there. And for the dates, as you can see, it is in increments of 7 days. We want for our graph to be increments of every 5 days. So you're going to want to go ahead and click to select that portion of the axis. Right click. You're going to want to right click until you find a Format Axis option. And this window will pop open here. I want to make sure you can see that. So I'm going to move it up. Move it to the side. You're going to go up to Scale, and so you see Major Unit. That is going to be 5, and as you can see, that says Days. You're going to go ahead and click OK, and then the days are represented like so. And so all you have to do is copy this graph by going to Command C and then Command V to go ahead and paste that into your PowerPoint or any other program that is compatible with Excel.